What if I told you everything you've been taught about negotiation is wrong? That you're overlooking opportunities to gather vital information you can use to optimize any outcome. I'm Chris Voss, former FBI lead international kidnapping negotiator, and author of the book Never Split the Difference, Negotiating as If Your Life Depended on It. The unfortunate truth is, even as attorneys, you've been taught negotiation techniques that put you at a distinct disadvantage. You see, the real art of negotiation lies in mastering the intricacies of no, not yes. At the CRISP Game Changer Summit in Atlanta, I'll debunk the biggest negotiation myths. I'm also going to share with you the secrets I've learned during my career in international crisis and high-stakes negotiations that allow you to communicate more effectively and maximize your success in situations where you need to influence others. You'll learn strategies that you won't hear anywhere else. Keep in mind, when the pressure is on, you'll fall back to your highest level of preparation. So I'll arm you with the skills needed to influence effectively at the highest levels. See you in November.